Problem solving is a part of daily life. Whether it's at work, school, or at home, we often face challenges that need creative solutions. But how do we think creatively when we're stuck? Here are some powerful creative thinking techniques to help you solve problems more effectively. Brainstorming. This is one of the most common and effective techniques. The key is to come up with as many ideas as possible without judging them. Don't worry if they sound silly or unrealistic. The goal is to generate options first. Evaluation comes later. Mind mapping. Start with the main problem in the center of a page, then branch out with related ideas, possible causes, or solutions. This visual method helps organize thoughts and often reveals new connections you might not have seen before. The what-if technique. Ask yourself, what-if questions to break away from normal thinking. For example, what if we had unlimited time, or what if money wasn't an issue? These questions push your mind to think beyond limitations and open up new possibilities. Scamper method. Scamper is a checklist of thinking strategies. It stands for substitute, what can you replace? Combine, what ideas can you put together? Adapt, what can you change to fit the situation? Modify, how can you alter or exaggerate something? Put to another use, can this be used differently? Eliminate, what can be removed? Rearrange, can you switch parts around? Use Scamper to look at your problem from multiple angles. Reverse thinking. Instead of asking, how do I solve this problem? Ask, how could I make this problem worse? Strange, right? But thinking in reverse helps identify what not to do. Once you know the wrong steps, it becomes easier to focus on the right ones. 6 thinking hats. Imagine wearing 6 different hats, each with a unique way of thinking. White hat focuses on facts and data. Red hat looks at emotions and feelings. Black hat sees risks and weaknesses. Yellow hat sees opportunities and benefits. Green hat thinks creatively and finds alternatives. Blue hat manages the thinking process. Switch between these hats to explore your problem from all directions. Final thoughts. Creative thinking is not just about being artistic. It's about seeing things differently and finding smart new solutions. These techniques can help you break through mental blocks and solve problems with confidence. Practice them often, and creative thinking will become a natural skill in your life.